This is the HISENSE L9H. Now, technically, it's a laser TV. It works with your aerial to give you access to live TV and all the digital channels. Plus, it comes with everything else you need to basically have your very own cinema setup in your home. That way you can have a proper big screen experience when you're doing movie nights or having people around to watch a big match. You've got two components here, the screen and the projector. The projector is where the laser comes into play and what gives you all that really vibrant, lifelike colour. It's called Chroma because it uses 3 pure colour lasers that generate the picture. It basically means that it's able to reproduce a really wide colour gamut, so every shade looks a lot more natural and realistic. The pictures that you see on screen are a lot closer to what the human eye actually sees. And if you've got this incredible cinematic picture, you need the sound to go with it. Now just take a listen to how good this sounds and how loud it goes. Dolby Atmos audio is built in, so when you're sitting down to watch a film, it feels even more immersive. It's precisely placed based on where it's coming from on screen so that it feels like you're in the middle of the action. Unlike an actual cinema screen, your living room has windows and obviously they let in light even when you close your blinds or your curtains. But this ambient light rejecting screen is designed to counteract that. So you can watch at any time of the day in any room and still see everything that's happening on screen. It does this by selectively reflecting light back to the viewer whilst reducing ambient reflections. And that means you get to enjoy this 4K picture on this 120-inch screen, no matter what time of the day. If you'd like to know more about this HISENSE L9H, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.